Hi everyone, John Hurry here from the Marketing People. Today I'm going to quickly go through some free software that Google offers called Google Analytics. It comes as a package that we offer through all our websites. So although it's a free piece of software, we set this up for you for any website that's built. What this entails and what this offers, it gives you free metrics for your website. So if you don't have this already installed on your website, go and beg your web developer or web designer and say, what are you doing? Why haven't we got this on? It can give you page views, the time spent on your website, gives you loads of demographics with male, female, what are they using, mobile or desktop, loads of other bits. We can install this for you as part of one of our SEO packages. The great thing is with what we can offer is that we can offer it to make sure it's qualified traffic. So using all your keywords, we make sure that this is set up correctly and the information that we provide to you is totally and utterly correct. So you can see here that you may have a 25% increase on your website through visitors, but where are they coming from? But what are they doing? How long are they spending on your pages? We can provide all of this with lots of other information as well. Please, if you're interested in finding out a little bit more, drop a comment in below or send us an email or give us a call 01543 495 752 and we can help you out. Thanks.